Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll be reviewing the JBL C100 TWS earphones, and I've already opened it and I've been testing it out for the past 2 days, and so I'll be dividing this video into 5 categories. So let's start from the overview. So let's keep this to a side and let's see what else do we get in the box. So we also get these additional pair of ear tips, so you can choose the one which is comfortable for you. For me the default one was comfortable, so I did not have to change anything. And we also get this charging cable in the box, and it is a micro USB cable as you can see here, and the length is only so much. And we also get some documentation from JBL, which includes the quick start guide as you can see here. So that's it. So let's keep all these things to a side. Let's move to the earphones. So as you can see here, this is the case in which it comes, and this is a plastic case. It is made of plastic, and here we have the charging port. It is a micro USB port. And initial impressions, yeah, the case looks actually good, and it also feels handy. It also fits easily in your pockets. So, and also we have these additional LED lights over here, 3 LED lights, so which indicates the charge level present in the case. If all the 3 lights are on, which means the case is fully charged. If only one light is blinking, then it indicates that it is low on charge and you can charge it. And these earbuds gets charged as long as it is inside the case. We also get 2 variants in this. One is the white color and other is the black color, and I purchased the white one. And moving to the earbuds, so these are the earbuds as you can see here. This is the left one and this is the right one, and they fit in like this. And this is sort of magnetic actually, as you can see here. It is sort of magnetic and it doesn't even fall down. So that is one more good thing about this. I thought that these earbuds might be heavy and feel uncomfortable as it looks big in size, but to be honest, when I tried it out, I was really surprised actually. It feels so light and comfortable, and it also fits comfortably in your ears as you can see here. It fits in so comfortably, and it doesn't even fall down even if I shake my head a lot. So yeah, it fits tightly in your ears. And guys, these earbuds doesn't have any active noise cancellation, but when you wear it, it kind of blocks the noise coming from outside, and even at 50% of volume, I was not able to hear any sound around me. And moving to the controls, you get buttons on these actually, which are much more reliable when compared to gestures, because gestures may not work sometimes. But that's not the case here. You get buttons over here, and you get buttons on both the earbuds, on the left one as well as on the right one. So let's start from the left one. So this is the left earbud. So in the left earbud you can switch between tracks actually. So let's play this music now. Okay, so the music is being played, and I'll just press the button once. As you can see, it went to the next track. And also if you want to switch back to the previous track, you need to double tap it. As you can see, it went back to the same track. Okay, so moving to the right earbud, you can actually pause and play music using this one. For example, I'll press this once. It got paused, and again I'll press the same button. It got resumed. And also you can trigger Google Assistant using this when you press the button twice. For example, I'll show you. As you can see, Google Assistant got triggered when you press the button twice. And also when you are on calls, when you long press the button for 3 seconds on the right earbud, the call gets muted. I'm sorry. Okay, so yeah, when you're on a call, when you long press the button for 3 seconds, the call gets muted. And also you can answer calls by clicking on this button. When you're listening to music and you get a call, you can answer calls by clicking on this button. Since I'm not on a call and I was listening to music, it got paused. So that's pretty much with the controls. And moving to the battery life on this was really good actually. I used to get somewhere around 4 hours or slightly more than that on a single charge. And you can also put these earbuds back into the case and it gets charged automatically. And in case if your case is completely charged, then you can charge your earbuds completely 3 times using your case. And to charge this case completely, it will take somewhere around 2 hours. And moving to the range was pretty good on this one, and I was able to hear music without any skippage even when I was in the next room. And it supports Bluetooth 5, so the range was pretty decent in this one. And moving to pairing, the pairing was actually very quick. By the time you open the case and pull out your earbuds and fit it in your ears, it gets paired instantly. And yeah, so the pairing was very quick. And there is also a LED light on the earbuds. When the light switches from white color to blue color, it indicates that the earbuds are paired to your device. And this is the most important part of the video, talking about the audio quality, especially the bass. The bass in this is actually very good. Considering the price point of it, under this price segment, the bass provided in this is significantly good. But at the same time, you won't be getting a bass which you get in a typical premium Sony headsets. So you won't be getting that bass in this, but still the bass in this is actually good, and most of you will still like it. And talking about the sound was actually very loud, and the audio output clarity was really good. And I did not face any issues even while taking calls on this. The audio output quality while answering calls was also very good. And if you would ask me, the overall audio output quality was actually very good. It was crystal clear and sharp without any distortion. So I would rate it around 8.5 out of 10, and I had no issues in the audio department. And talking about the vocals and the midtones, they were just amazing. JBL has nailed it in this category. And talking about the availability, yes, I bought these earbuds on Flipkart a couple of days back, and I got it for 3,800 rupees, and I'm not sure if the price is still the same. If you want to purchase these earbuds, then I leave the link in the description area. You can use that link to purchase it. And that's it for today, guys. Hope my review was quite good enough, and thank you for watching my video. Catch you guys in the next one.